Today, we are looking at how to add your Louvolite one-touch jewel with Meta over Thread to Apple Home. If you don't have the Apple Home app on your iOS device, download it from the App Store and follow along to add the motor to Apple Home. Let's add a blind to your Apple Home.
Tap on Home to open the Apple Home app.
Tap on the plus icon in the right corner.
Add accessory. Scan the QR code which is located on the back of the bottom bar of your blind. Tap on Add to Home. Wait a moment for the app to connect with the blind. Once connected, the setup will begin and the blind will be added to Home. Select one of the suggested locations or create a custom location. Tap on Continue. Name your blind and tap on Continue again. Your blind has been added to your Apple Home. Repeat the process to add additional blinds.
You can now open your blind via your Apple Home app or simply ask Siri to operate the blind for you. Hey Siri, please open the showroom blind. There you have it. Siri can open and close your blinds. Now we are going to show you how to set a scene and add an automation. Scenes allow you to store a position and activate it on command. Let's add a scene.
Tap on three dots in the right corner. Tap on Add Scene. We are going to add a custom scene, so tap on Custom. Name your custom scene and tap on Add Accessory. Tap on your blind. In our case, it is showroom blind. Tap on your blind again and drag the blind into the position you would like your blind to be when the scene is activated. Tap on Done.
Let's test our movie scene. Hey Siri.
What can I do for you?
Movie.
Setting the scene.
Lastly, we will show you how to add an automation. Automations are useful. For example, if you want your blinds to open or close at a certain time of day, let's add an automation.
Tap on the three dots in the right-hand corner. Add automation. Tap on a time of day occurs. Select the days of the week you would like this automation to run. Tap on time of day. Adjust the time you want the automation to run. Tap on Next. Select your blind. Verify that your time and day are correct and tap on your blind. Adjust the position of your blind. In this automation, we want our blind to close at 6 p.m. every day. Tap on Done. Tap on the home icon in the left corner. And your automation is set.
Scenes and automations are easy to set up, giving you flexibility in how you operate your blind. If you would like to know more about the Louvolite one-touch jewel with Meta and Thread or any of our other products at Blind Designs, visit us at blinddesigns.co.za. To find a distributor near you, click the Find Distributor tab on our site and choose the one closest to you. We are proud to serve customers all across South Africa and Greater Southern Africa region. I'm Libon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.